Tired of manually uploading every single reel? Let's supercharge your Instagram content by automating your Reels uploads with Zapier. Imagine this: you create a fantastic video, upload it to a cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, and bam! Zapier handles pushing it straight to your Instagram Reels, all without you lifting a finger. First, you'll need a Zapier account and an Instagram account. Log into Zapier at Zapier.com. We're going to build a Zap, a circumflex euros. That's Zapier's term for an automated workflow. Click on Create Zap. To start building your automation, this is where the magic happens. For our trigger, we'll choose the platform where you'll be uploading your final video. Let's use Google Drive for this example. Select Google Drive, and then choose the trigger event, New File in Folder. Connect your Google Drive account, and then specify the folder where you'll be saving your Reels videos. This is crucial, so make sure it's a dedicated folder. Now, test your trigger to make sure Zapier can see your files. This helps confirm the connection is working correctly. Next, we need to tell Zapier what to do with the file. For our action, we'll select Instagram. From the action events, choose Create Reel. This is the core of our automation. Connect your Instagram account to Zapier. You may need to authorize Zapier to access your account. Now, we map the data in the video URL field. Select the file URL from your Google Drive trigger for the caption. You can type in a default caption or pull text from your Google Drive file. If you've set that up, you can also add hashtags here. Before turning your Zap on, test the action to ensure your reel will be uploaded correctly. Zapier will attempt to publish a reel based on your settings. Once you're happy with the test, it's time to turn on your Zap. This means from now on, any video added to that specific Google Drive folder will automatically be uploaded as an Instagram reel. And that's it. You've just automated your Instagram Reels uploads. Spend less time uploading and more time creating amazing content. Happy zapping!